Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to take a look at July price targets for Dogecoin. It's been a tough couple months for the cryptocurrency market overall. Dogecoin was up in the 13s, 14s back in the beginning of May, and here we are struggling around 6 cents. That's tough to see. Do we see light at the end of the tunnel? Are we seeing a turnaround? Well, one author thinks there's going to be a 20% bump in Doge in July. I am not so optimistic, and I'll show you why. First, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate the support. Also, just to let you know that I do have a wallet, my Doge wallet. Someone was asking about whether Chris was actually me on my Doge, and it is. So just wanted to put that out there and let you know. That's where you can do a lot of tipping and holding your Doge in my Doge wallet. Very active on Twitter, and on Twitter a lot of tips being sent around using my Doge wallet. Very easy to use, so join us on Twitter and follow me as well on Twitter. I'll eventually going to be having a giveaway, Doge giveaway on Twitter, so follow me at Chris Crypto on Twitter. So for Dogecoin has actually done okay in the past couple weeks compared to other cryptocurrencies. Still 10th in overall market cap, which is good for Doge, holding its position very well. But compared to Bitcoin, Doge has actually outperformed Bitcoin over the past couple weeks, and I'll show you that on the charts as well. So that's good for Doge. I think that means that a lot of people are buying Doge thinking that these are good prices for Doge. Bitcoin, there still seems to be a lot of negative sentiment as Bitcoin is pushed down below 20,000 again. So kind of tough for Bitcoin, and of course Bitcoin being the big daddy, having over 40% of the overall crypto market, usually how Bitcoin goes, so does all the cryptos. They seem to follow Bitcoin. So for Doge, let's take a look at the charts. Let me show you where I think July price targets are. We'll start by looking here at the 4-hour chart for Dogecoin, looking back over the last couple months. And here Dogecoin was back at the beginning of May. Dogecoin was trading in this 13, 14 cent range. Before the middle of May, there was this first big drop, followed by the middle of June, the second big drop. So what am I looking at for July? I'm looking for another drop. Things kind of go in threes. That's kind of how I see things. And I'm expecting another drop here. Overall, Dogecoin was following this downward resistance line. Came up after that initial drop in May. After hitting that high there, came back down, hit it again. There was the drop. And as Dogecoin was trading up over the past couple weeks, it looked like there was going to be this bump and run and Dogecoin could break out of this. But no, Dogecoin came up and then traded back down again off of that. So that downward resistance line is looking pretty solid right now. However, with this rise of Dogecoin that we saw here between, let's say, June 18th and June 27th, that got Dogecoin to a level so that now, as Bitcoin is dropping again, Dogecoin is dropping from a higher level than a lower level. Because here's Bitcoin during that same time. Bitcoin did not come up very much and really is looking, it's tough for Bitcoin to really make any headway because Bitcoin is getting shorted so much. And as Bitcoin is getting shorted, even down below 20,000, that's pretty tough to see. We have this graph showing the Bitcoin shorts. And look at that. As Bitcoin is going down below 20,000, there are a lot more short positions opening up on Bitcoin. That's pretty interesting. Dogecoin shorts have been coming down. They were already very high through the month of June, but they seem to be coming down as I think people are recognizing that there's some buying going on with Dogecoin, and Dogecoin actually might have more support than Bitcoin. overall, this is what I'm watching in terms of this relationship between Dogecoin and Bitcoin, which was below 0.0003% and had actually gone all the way down to 22, 23. But since June 13th, Dogecoin has actually outperformed Bitcoin in the second half of June by quite a bit, now up at 33. So very interesting to watch how this relationship is. Usually don't see Dogecoin making such a great progress versus Bitcoin unless there's some big catalyst which is propelling Dogecoin up. And this has just been regular, just trading of Dogecoin. This trading of Dogecoin as Doge has gone up, came up to 7.8 cents here. That trading was not based on any huge news for Dogecoin. It's just people buying Dogecoin, thinking Doge is at a low price. So what does that mean in terms of price targets for July? Well, this article here on Analytics Insight, they're talking about a 20% rally in July. And so is this a good time to buy? That's what the article is about. And what they're looking at the same chart here that I am, wherein from early May through June, we had this rise in Doge after the drop, hit the line, came back down, hit the line again, and could that run be this gain? They're talking about a 20% rally here. Now, that would be up to 9.4 cents. I think that would be kind of tough right now for Dogecoin to get up to 9.4 cents. That would be a challenge here to get up to that level. So that would be by the end of July, somewhere up here. And I don't see that right now. I still think we're going to. I still think we're going to have a dip somewhere around here. We're going to see a dip, and that dip could be down to 4.5 cents. And that's what I'm watching for. Is that what we have as we zoom out again? Are these sort of downward trend lines happening here? We have downward resistance, downward support, shorter term downward resistance. And all of that, to me, doesn't lead for a big rally yet up to a 20% rally. Now, to think that 20% is going to get you to still under 10 cents, but that's where we are right now as the entire crypto market has come down. I mean, there's a lot of FUD out there. There's still, there's still coins being stolen. There's still negative ETF news on Bitcoin. There's exchanges that are being questioned whether they actually have the capital to back up all of their crypto. So all of that is leading to a lot of questions about the overall cryptocurrency market. So we'll be watching this, and we'll see how Dogecoin trades forward from here. But again, I just think it's going to be a real challenge for Dogecoin as we look forward. So that's my take on Dogecoin looking forward to July. Still tough economic conditions overall. High inflation, we still have high interest rates, and those things aren't going to be solved anytime in the immediate future. So the longer term outlook will look better as we go into the fall, but I think through the rest of the summer, we're going to be kind of stuck here. The crypto winter is going to continue right through the summer. Let me know in the comments below what you think about July price targets for Dogecoin. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.